how to turn off sounds in Facebook app. Now, let's say you just want some peace and quiet and you just want your Facebook app to not have a sound overall, so that whenever you play a reel or whenever you play a video, it is automatically muted and you won't be able to hear a thing. Now, to do that, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings icon right here. After that, you just have to scroll down until you locate media on your settings right here. Now you just have to scroll down and locate sounds in the app. So you just have to toggle this off if you want to turn off the sounds in your Facebook app, so that whenever you play something on your Facebook app, you won't be able to hear a thing. And it is completely silent as well as your notification in this specific app. So that's how to turn off sounds in Facebook app. Hope we help.